I have jumped on the Tiffany Plate bandwagon. I jumped on the bandwagon, like I said, about 3 weeks ago. Absolutely love it, but I noticed that my stomach was like really bloated. I went on her post and I was looking for answers. Like, yep, lo and behold, somebody commented and said, I don't see how y'all are eating all those raw green vegetables and not complaining about being bloated. There it is. Brussels sprouts, peas, cucumbers, and broccoli. I laid off of it for about a week and a half. My stomach deflated. I'm back on it again. It's by no means am I saying it's not good, but you make it how you want it. So good. This is packed with protein, and you're getting your vegetables and fruit. I have my favorite, my Olipop. Bon appetit.